Hello, and welcome to another installment in the TWU Formatting Series, where I go page by page and set up how the document should appear according to TWU's specifications. This is the Appendices video. Not every student will have appendices with their thesis or dissertation, so don't panic if your paper does not have appendices. However, if you're a student that does, this will go step by step into how to set that section up. The first requirement is that the page title line, Appendix A, is the top line of the page. There should be no blank lines above it. The second requirement is that the title be in all caps and centered. The third requirement is that the spacing of the page be double-spaced 0 point. We detail how to set up the TWU line spacing in the cover page video of this series. After you write Appendix A in all caps, centered on the top line of the page, hit Enter. Then in all caps, write the Appendix A title. For this example, it will be Information on Appendices. Note that how that is also in all caps and centered. And note that there isn't a title above Appendix A called Appendices that introduces the Appendices section. There should be no line like Appendices that introduces the section. You just begin with Appendix A and then the Appendix A title. Okay, now once you've entered the Appendix A title, hit Enter, and you can include whatever information you want in whatever format you desire. I will include the example we use in the Graduate School Technical Manual. So this is important information to know about appendices in general. Your appendix material should come after your reference list, even if you cite a source within your appendix. All appendices should be identified by a letter and a title. The letter and title should be listed on your table of contents in the correct order. Appendices can include surveys, interview scripts, recruitment materials, IRB approval materials, and so forth. And then this is just a reiteration of what I said earlier, which is that appendices title should be in regular face type. So there's no bold, essentially is what regular face type means. In all caps, centered, and double space 0 point. Formatting is similar to the formatting of your chapter titles. Appendix titles should also be on the same page as the information it qualifies. So this is the information about appendices. The Appendix A and Appendix A title are on the same page as the information on appendices. That is what that is referring to. All right, and now the only other issue I see in regards to appendices is that if you include screenshots, you must make sure that the screenshot fits within TWU's margins. I will now demonstrate with a second appendix. So first thing I will do is I will head over to the Insert tab and include a page break so that when I do an Appendix B title line, it is the top line of the page. So once again, Appendix B title in all caps and centered in regular face type, and then the Appendix B title line, which will be screenshot example. Now I'm copying the screenshot from the Graduate School Technical Manual and pasting it into the document here. The way to ensure that your screenshot is within the margins is by making sure that you can see the ruler. My Word is set up in a way where I can always see the ruler. However, if you do not have that set up, the way to do so is to go to the top of the page, click View, then head to the Show section and check Yes for ruler. The gray portions of the ruler are the margins that you need to stay within. So if I'm a little worried that this is too close to the margins, I can just resize it a little bit and get it a little bit smaller. And now I am assured that my screenshot fits within the margins. These are all the formatting requirements for TWU appendices. Happy formatting, everyone.